Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this pin guard from Squid game. This is beginner friendly, so if you want to recreate this pattern, all you need to know is how to make magic ring, single crochet, increase, decrease, and basic hand stitch. But if you don't know how to make those, you can check my YouTube short. So without any further ado, let's get started. Round 1. Make a magic ring. And 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Round 2. 2 single crochet. Don't forget to use stitch mark into the first single crochet in every round. And then increase. Two single crochet. And increase. Round 3. 8 single crochet. In the last single crochet, don't finish it, because we're gonna change it to pink color. Change the color. Round 4 until round 13, 8 single crochet. When you finish, cut the yarn and leave a long tail. In the video, I cut it too short, that makes it hard for me to stitch later on. But I hope you don't make the same mistake. Make 2 of them. Now let's make the leg. Round 1. Make a magic ring and 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Round 2. 6 increase. Round 3 and round 4, single crochet round. The last single crochet in round 4, don't finish it because we're gonna change to pink color. Change the color. Round 5 until round 10, single crochet round. After you finish round 10, you can cut the yarn and make another leg. But on other leg, don't cut the yarn because we're gonna join both legs together. Now I already have 2 legs, let's join them together. Round 11. 2 chains, 12 single crochet into the first leg, two single crochet into the 2 chains, and 12 single crochet into the other leg. Round 12 until round 16, single crochet around, and there should be 28 single crochet in every round. In the last single crochet in round 16, we're gonna change color to black. Round 17 and round 18, single crochet around using black yarn. In the last single crochet of round 18, change color to pink and continue single crochet around for round 19. Round 20, 5 single crochet, and 1 decrease. Do it 4 times and there will be 24 single crochet in the end of the round. Round 21 and 22, single crochet around. For the rest of the body, follow this written pattern and I'll see you when you finish round 26. And from here, we're done. You can cut the yarn and start filling the body and the arms before you attach them. Now, attach the arms to the body. Close the arms like this as you sewing it together. And this is how it looks when you sew them together. Now for the head and the hood, follow these written patterns. Attach the hood to the body by hand stitching it. You can follow my method or you can hand stitch it however you like. This is how it looks when you finish stitching. It looks nice and neat. Now let's add the zipper. Push the excess yarn inside the doll. Draw the square on the mask by sewing white yarn on it. And it's all done. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel for the next tutorial video.